Hi guys, thanks so much for joining us on today's tutorial. Today's tutorial is a smoky eye, a really simple smoky eye. So we're gonna get straight to it. So I always like to prep my eyelid first with some cream concealer. This gives a nice even tone. And then using a blending brush and dark Eggplant, which is a matte eyeshadow, tapping the product on, focused on the lid, and then slightly blending it out in the back and forth swipe motion onto the crease. You can decide how high you want to go, but I'm going to go just slightly over just for my eye shape. If I go too high, I go towards drag area real quick, but I want to keep it really precise. So tap the product on the eyelid and then swipe motion back and forth to blend the product onto the crease. Next, with my finger, I'm going to use cinnamon. I'm going to tap the color onto my eyelid. It's a shimmer, so I really want it to pop and reflect back light. So using a pencil brush, I'm just going to soften the edge and get in the inside corner of my tear duct. I don't care if I get a little excess under my eye because I'm going to clean it up after. So don't forget, tap, tap, blend, blend. So a little tip for my brown-eyed people out there: when you wear dark shades, rich tones, makes your eyes look a little brighter. Using a makeup wipe, I'm going to clean up under my eyes. This is why I do my eyes first and skin second. This way I'm not redoing my skin and I don't have to worry about cleaning it up after. Using my favorite liquid liner, I'm using Wet n Wild. I'm going to do a little bit of a wing liner. I'm going to eventually soon do a tutorial on how to create the perfect wing using different tools for different eye shapes. So stay tuned for that one. Coming soon. So I'm doing my liner on this eye and I totally kind of got a little crazy. So just keep in mind, it doesn't have to be perfect. They're gonna mess up. I've been doing wing liner on myself and other people for 12 years and I can still make mistakes. So no big deal. A little makeup wipe, clean it right up, make it perfect. So finishing up my eyes with some mascara. Going to start my skin now. I'll put a link in the top right corner for our skin tutorial. So a little tip when you're doing smoky eye is you want under the eyes, including if you have dark circles, to be very bright because we don't want it to look like you got punched in the eye. Now with a smudge brush, I'm going to take dark Eggplant and just focus on the waterline and under my eyelashes and drag it down to the inside corner. Then using cinnamon just on the end, just to really darken that end to give me an almond shape right under the wing. And using a pencil blending brush, I'm going to just smudge it a little bit more, really blend it out so it gives me an all-around smoky feeling, night out, very sultry. This is our final look. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Would love to see your creations. Please feel free to tag us at Front Row Cosmetics. Thanks for watching. Till next time. Bye.